Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Glossybox for January 2022. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Alright you guys, so Glossybox for January just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much Glossybox for sending me your beauty box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what is going to be in the January box. You guys already know, if you watched my December unboxing, that was my favorite, hands down. Came in the tin, and it was just all like galaxy. It just was, that's my favorite. Now they're back to their pink box. I don't know if they'll ever be able to top that one, in my opinion. So they definitely left last year with a bang, that's for sure. So let's go ahead and get in. Again, it's a normal pink box this time. And then when we open it up, normally there's a little brochure tucked in. Tucked in, and I don't see it. So let's remove the ribbon and see if it's inside of the box this time, or maybe we just don't have one. I do not see a pamphlet in here, so let's see what we've got going on. The first thing that I am seeing right on top, it says Daydreamer, your dream cleanser come true. Looks like Bloom maybe is the brand, and it just says use 2 to 3 drops and rub in circular motions over damp or wet face. Rinse with water, gently pat dry with a towel. So there's that. It does say, hey, remember to recycle me. If you forget, don't worry, I can also safely break down in landfills. How cute. So it's you can recycle it. And yeah, so here is a cleanser you can try out. Next we have is this little guy. It says Codex Beauty Labs brightening serum. It's a little guy. It's a 5 ml, and it says apply as needed with a gentle massaging motion for daily use on all skin types. So there's this little serum you can test out, and if you like it, you can purchase the full size. I just don't know where you would get it because I don't have a brochure this time. But there's that product. Now we have this, so we have After Spa, which is a good brand. This is a black marble facial roller. I have so many of these facial rollers, and I have all different colors and styles and all kinds of stuff. So let's see what this looks like, and I'll probably just save it for one of you guys to enjoy. So I'm not going to touch the actual product, but that's what it looks like. Ooh, I really like that. And I like the fact that it has silver as the metal on here, not gold like a lot of them, but that is really cool. So it's a black marble little roller, so you can roll around on your face. The black marble facial roller is known to boost circulation that may cause reduction of dark circles. Marble is anciently known to ease inflammation and calm, soothe, and restore skin in cold stone massage therapy. So there's a good tip about the black marble. So there's that guy, which that's really cool to have in here as a full-size little roller. Now we have is something from Invisibobble, and it says the traceless bun tool. Oh, no metal. So it's for a bun. Secures bun, easy to use, invisible in the hair, light feel, high wearing comfort, traceless hair loving. Okay. Okay. Is that right? It shows you a little diagram right there on how you twist it, roll it, and then you stick it in, and then just like, it looks like you just rotate it. There's 2 different ones in here. That is really interesting. I've never seen something like this from Invisibobble, but it doesn't surprise me. So it has like a little raised area, so like once you do have your bun, I guess you stick it in and then just rotate it, and then it'll hold it in place. I'll definitely test that out. I mean, that's really neat. I like throwing my hair up, especially at night, and it's not in my way. I can't stand I can't stand when hair touches my face, or like if you're in a car and like wind. I just have never been able to like any hair on my face. I can't stand it. So I definitely throw my hair up at night. Now you have is a big little container here of brightening cleansing cloths by Julep. I've never seen any by that brand, but that is really neat. And it's like big, that's a big size right there. There's 30 towelettes in here. Gently removes makeup and cleanses skin. So there's that. That's really neat. Now we have is a product by Philip Kingsley. I've used this one before. It's the Bond Builder Split End Remedy. It's a 20 mil. There's that. And then on this one, it doesn't have any instructions on the backside. All it has is ingredients, but there's nothing on like how to use. So I think if I remember correctly, it's like a normal conditioner. So after you shampoo, you put it in, leave it in for like 10-15 minutes and then rinse it off. That's what I'm assuming, but I can't clarify because there's nothing on here and I have no card. So there's that. The last item in here is definitely going to go to one of you guys because it says lavender right up on it. This is a moisturizing foot mask and it is with lavender oil. There's 2 socks inside. So you just stick them on your feet, slide your feet in, wait 15 minutes and take them off. Simple and easy. So that is everything. And let me just double check. Nope, there's no card on the bottom. So a quick recap of everything that's in this box. You have a lavender oil foot mask. You have a product by Philip Kingsley. You have a face cleanser. You have a face serum. You have a black marble face roller. You have a 2-pack of Invisibobble to hold your bun in place. And then you have this full big ol' cleansing cloths. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that came inside? What do you think of Glossybox? Leave all the comments down below. If you want a little bit more information about Glossybox, I will let you know right about now. I do have a link down below. If you follow that link and you have not signed up before, you can get your very first box for only $16. If you do month to month, the box is $21 per box. If you go all the way to 12 months, it brings that down to $18 per box. You can cancel or pause at any given time. There's free international shipping. You always get 5 products with a guaranteed worth of $70 or higher in every box. Normally, Glossybox in their pamphlet, they do give you pricing. And that's one thing I really do like because they'll tell you pricing if it's a full size or if you have a deluxe or a mini or a sample. They give you the real value for what's in your box, and then I can tell you price at the end, but can't do that now or this month anyway, so maybe next month I'll have one. But that is everything that is in this particular month. And again, I have the link down below. You can go check them out. Glossybox also has their own skincare that you can purchase directly from their website. You don't need a subscription for that if you would like to check that out. I've tried quite a few things and I am very, very impressed with what I've tried so far. So again, everything will be linked down below. You can definitely go and check it out. So that is everything that I have for this particular video, you guys. Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.